Hi, my name is Pietari Posti, also known as Studio Posti, and I'm a Finnish illustrator. I mainly do illustrations for advertising, but also for book covers, editorials, and packaging. I've been working with brands such as Nespresso, Starbucks, the New York Times, The Guardian, and many more. I like balancing multiple shapes and limited use of colors, all of which combines to create lively and eye-catching illustrations. I find it fascinating that I can create new worlds and characters using minimal tools. I have always loved simplicity in visual arts and strong contrast of colors. It leads the viewer into the image and connects with their own world. In this Domestika course, I will show you how to create dynamic vector illustrations. We will go through the basics of composition and color, so that you have a basic understanding of why and how you should follow the principles of design and how they can help your illustrations stand out from the rest. In the final project, you will create a vector illustration using just 3 colors and 3 elements. You will start by learning a little bit about me and my inspirations. Then we will start our final project by searching for reference images, and you will learn the basics of color and composition. I will show you some samples using the iPad and my own work. Then we will use Procreate to do some thumbnail sketches and choose the best one to work on. Next, we will start working on our vector illustration using Adobe Illustrator. We will draw the basic elements and we will apply the color. And then we will apply gradients, shadows and highlights to add some depth. After that, you will learn how to refine and clean your vector illustration so that it's presentable to show to the world. Finally, on Photoshop, we will add textures and analog feel to make it look more organic. In the last lesson, we will export our illustration for print and online use. At the end of this course, you have learned how to develop an artwork following the process from sketch to the final touch-ups. You will need drawing tablet or pen and paper for sketching and a computer with the Adobe Illustrator installed. Discover the world of vector illustration and make it yours.